Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my new graphic design course. From today, we will begin our graphic design journey, and this is chapter 1. Before you spend money on a wedding invitation designer, watch this. I will show you how to create a gorgeous wedding invitation card in Canva that looks professional and takes only a few minutes to make. To create this wedding invitation card, the first thing we need to do is select a template. Since we are designing an invitation card, we will choose the invitation category. As you can see, Canva already provides a variety of ready-made templates. However, if you had like to create a completely custom design, simply select a blank template. This gives you a full control over the layout and design. You will also find many other template options here and that you can explore and customize to suit your style.
First, go to the Elements section and look for a background. You can search for different backgrounds in graphics. Scroll down. This one looks nice, but it has a crown icon, which means it's a bad element. Since we want a free design, we will choose a graphic without the crown icon. I can't find background I want, so I will try background in the search bar. Here are some simple options and scroll down, and I like this one, so I will add it to the page. Next, and okay, next type wedding arch. In the search bar, go to graphic and choose a border design you like. I like this one, and I will select this one and place it on the invitation. Okay, next, again in search bar, I will search for couple. You can choose any image you like. Scroll down, scroll down. Uh, I really like this flower bucket, so I will use it instead. I will lower the, just set it, and I will lower the transparency. I think this is enough. Now again I will search couple graphic. Okay, I will add this decorative graphic and place it in the corner. Now go to the text section and choose a text style you like. Scroll down. I like scroll down. I like this one. Then type the names and place them above the bucket. Now write groom name is Michael. Okay. Adjust the size and position until everything looks good. Now we need to mention the wedding date. For that, we will go to the element section again and select this ring graphic. We also need a wedding board. So we will type save the date or save date in the search bar. However, I couldn't find any suitable graphic here. No. So now I am typing wedding board. The designs that look good are bad, but we need a free one. Scroll down, scroll down. Even after searching a lot, I couldn't find a good board. So now we will type wedding decoration. I like this board, so we will use it and place it in the corner, in this corner, and then okay, this corner, and again I ring and set the ring in the middle. Okay, okay, we set it. Next, we will go to the text section and choose. I will choose this text style.